바나나는 과일입니다. 바나나는 과일입니다. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 과일입니다. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about 과일. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 282. 과일, 과일. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is kwa, second syllable is il. Pronounce it with me. 과일, 과일. The word 과일 is simply the Korean term for fruit. Again, 과일 is the Korean term for fruit. How do we write 과일 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is kwa, and this is written by drawing first a gia character, followed by an o character, followed by an a character. That's kwa. Then, for the second syllable il, we need to draw first a no-sound iyang, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables, kwa and il, to form the Hangul of the word 과일. And remember that the word 과일 means fruit. Now, let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, banana is a fruit. Again, banana is a fruit. The Korean translation of this is 바나나는 과일입니다. Again, 바나나는 과일입니다. This sentence could be subdivided into two parts. The first part is 바나나는. Banana is just the fruit banana, and 는 is a suffix added to banana to point out that this is the subject of the sentence. The second part of the sentence is 과일입니다. The word 과일 is our word for today, and it means fruit. And 입니다 is added to say that this whole sentence is declarative. And for this case, we are declaring that banana is a fruit. So, 바나나는 과일입니다 means banana is a fruit. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our sentence, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 바나나는 과일입니다 is simply banana is a fruit. And with that, you've just learned 과일. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 272 to 281. But don't forget our word for today, word number 282, 과일, which means fruit. The first word for our review is word number 281, 돕다, which means to help. Word number 280 is 주다, which means to give. Word number 279 is 화요일, which means Tuesday. Word number 278 is namu, which means tree or wood. Word number 277 is aju, which means very. Word number 276 is 조금, which means a little. Word number 275 is suop, which means class or lesson. Word number 274 is cake, which means cake. Word number 273 is kimchi, which means fermented vegetables. And the last word for our review, word number 272, 물론, which means sure or of course. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.